JCI Manila is a leadership organization where we train young people to become better leaders. JCI Manila is a 600 strong membership organization. We do health, livelihood, education. We do around 400 community projects a year. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, doon po kami. And most importantly, we train our country's future leaders. And this is an example of what we do and who we are. This year, we focus on mental health because it is really a silent killer, and it is something that kinda parang siyang tabu, parang ayaw siya pag-usapan. And it's high time to let people know na okay lang yan. Minsan kasi kailangan lang nila may kausap. Katulad po nung sinabi ni General Torre nung DMM namin 2 days ago, no? Which is the chairman of the MMDA. If they will come up with a hotline na pag yung mga tao, pag may gusto lang kausap, tawagan lang nila yung hotline, then MMDA will connect them to a counselor. So with this project, we aim to build a mental health facility sa Philippine Mental Health Association where they can go and they can talk to a counselor physically. So by doing that, I believe that we can address and somehow mitigate yung mga unnecessary casualties brought by the mental health.